Alright, so these are the long links we're going to install. Let's just get started. So bottom, we basically like bottom these things out. We remove the little black rubber thing that's in the middle. Alright, your finished product should look just like that. It's leveled. The car looks straight, looks leveled, man. This is amazing. This is amazing. Alright guys, taking a break from the Porsche content today. But we have something powerful here. CLS 550. So we got my boy Neil here. Today, we're going to install the world's cheapest coilovers. Literally, they're just lowering links. Since this whole car is on bags, super easy to lower this thing. So, it's gonna be a real nice, quick video. And look, he's already getting started. So, we actually already installed one side so we can actually just, you know, properly make this video for you guys. So this is a brand that we will not say, but this is a low inlet kit for this SLS, well, sorry, CLS 550. I'm trying to find the year. What's the year of this, man? 2019?
Secret.
Top secret year, okay. It looks like this, guys. That one. That one. Alright, so these are the low links we're going to install. Let's just get started. Oh wait, oh, what is that? This is amazing. Whose t-shirt is this? That's right guys, 944 Evo t-shirts are up on the website, one and only on systematic.co. Come in all different sizes and about 6 different colors: black, red, blue, you name it. So every t-shirt purchase, funds go directly straight into this car. So enough playing around, let's get to the video. Alright, so first step is already done. We have the car jacked up in the air nice. We broke the lug nuts loose. Let's go ahead and get our 17mm socket and remove this simply. Alright, so now that we have the wheel off, we are going to look towards the back side. And this little plastic rod right here is our lowering link. So the new lowering links are basically Heim joints, so they're adjustable. And apparently they're already preset, so we're not gonna mess with it. So we're just gonna pop this off and install the new one. Shouldn't have to touch it. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All we gotta do is, I like to put a little 10mm wrench right in between and then get a flathead to pry it off. Because this thing is very, very fragile. You see it's flexing, it's all plastic, guys. You have to be very, very, very careful with this stuff. It's definitely not going to be hard, bro. Don't worry. Alright. That's that. Alright, so now to the backs now.
You use a needle nose. You pop off the bottom. Once you pop off the bottom, it can swivel down. And you can take off that 10mm bolt that's at the top right there. Take off the 10mm, you can take off the whole thing and pop off the top, and it's easier than the front.
Nice. Right, so now installing the new one, you have to push over this rubber grommet or gasket, whatever you like to call it. It's actually easier this way because trying to push them all at once is very, very hard. So we have the smaller one here, and it just snaps on just like that. You put the lock-in clip, put it into the back side, and just spin it over. Super, super simple. Now you just reverse the process. Just a little comparison for the two fronts. You can see they're almost about the same, so we'll see if we need a little adjusting, but this is adjustable, and the kit already says it's already like pre-adjusted to 1-inch drop. We're just gonna put it in and find out, but yeah, so this will be super simple. Again, just like the rear, all we gotta do is put this little rubber grommet over the little ball. Make sure you put it on this way, that way, and then you push the ball joint over that. We found out it was super easier this way instead of trying to push everything over all at once. All right, your finished product should look just like that. Definitely more prettier than the plastic one, I can tell you that. All right, moment of truth. It's gonna start it up. It's gonna do its little air dancey thingy. Let's see. So far the backs is looking amazing. Look at this. This is nice. That's like a 1-inch drop. It's gonna start to adjust now. Let's see basically what it does. All right, you guys get to see it real time. This car drops as he puts it in sport mode. I figured it wasn't gonna move any, so we're going to now adjust it. So he's gonna put it in sport mode, and then we're gonna measure from there to see how low he actually wants it in sport mode. And then after that, you know, the regular ride height is a little bit higher, so you always get over speed bumps. That's the best part about low end links. So let's go ahead, pick the car back up again and adjust it. All right, so measuring this, we got 85 millimeters on the fancy little caliper here. So to bottom, we basically like bottomed these things out. We removed the little black rubber thing that was in the middle and just screwed them all the way to the, you know, bottomed out. Doesn't really have much adjustment, but this is now 15 millimeters shorter, so it's like 69.1, so it's about 15 millimeters shorter. So let's go ahead and put this on the car and see how it reacts. Cool, just lowered the fronts. Didn't touch the backs yet. The backs seem fine, but let's see how it reacts. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. That fitment basically matches. Oh wow, that 2-finger gap with the 2-finger gap. And this is in sport mode, right?
That's sport mode.
Yeah, so this is perfect. Oh wow, look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Damn, that looks good. All right, so now here comes comfort mode. I think the back's been up. Nope, here comes the front. All right, so that dropped about 1 inch. Now it's dropping the back now. Okay, this is comfort. You know what I mean? You get over your little speed bumps, you know. All right, now it's time for sport. And here we go. A continuous drop. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. All we did was touch the fronts. Still dropping a tiny bit. I guess it's just adjusting. It looks almost level with the rear. The rear looks like it has to come down though. So before it was like half a finger gap. Now it's definitely a full finger gap. It's more of a straighter finger now, right? It's more of a straighter finger now. Okay. We're getting the hang of this. So there's like a multiplier. We slammed it all the way. We tried to drop the lower end links like half an inch, and it just completely slammed the whole front of the car. So we did about, I guess like 10 millimeters now lower than what it was, instead of 15, and now it's better, more doable. It almost looks like it matches the front to the rear, so that's actually not too bad. We can go another 2 turns if you like. Yeah, we can go another 2 turns if you like, or we can lower the back to level it out.
Go up 2 turns in the back.
Down one. Oh, so down 2, up 2.
Or down 1, up 2.
So still up 2.
Yeah. Up 2.
He's like, ah, it's too much finger gap. Too much little finger gap for me. Alright, yeah, drive around the block. Let's see what happens. Well, it's in sport right now, so yeah, drive it around the block in sport and see what happens. Alright guys, take number 5 now. We now lowered it down 5 millimeters from the original. And now we actually have our 1.5 to 2 finger gap here. So now he's gonna take it around the block again and let's see how it feels. Car looks executive, man. Perfect. Much better. It looks a lot better too. It actually looks like straight. Oh man, this car looks straight, bro. Look at that. Perfect stance. Before the front was a little bit too high. Now it's like completely just damn. Yeah, that's sport. That's sport. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So that's only a 5 mil drop. So it was 15 before and it dropped 3 inches. So I guess every 5 mil is an inch. So cool. So now we know the math, and now everybody else knows the math as well. Look at that. Look at that. Basically looks leveled. The car looks straight, looks leveled, man. This is amazing. This is amazing. All right. Damn. Sheesh, that car is quick. All right guys, that's about it for this quick little install video. All right guys, now that install is finished, don't forget to check out the 944 4063 build we have up here. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to stay in tune with this. So that's about it for this video. Don't forget to head on over to unsystematic.co, get all your unsystematic needs situated. Hit a comment, rate, and subscribe. Never forget, never stop modifying.